Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Jane, and Jane Channel Simple Life here in BC. And welcome to my another cooking video. So, ayan guys, inipag na naman ako mag-cooking. And today I'm gonna be doing a very simple dish. It's a chicken liver, guys. So it's a spicy chicken liver with mushroom. So this is my ingredients. I have here a ginger, green onions, garlic, slices of tomatoes, got very little red chili because very spicy to, onions, and I have some mushrooms here which I already cut into small pieces, and I have a liver which I blanched already. So to start with, let's put the butter in our pan which I already heated. Okay, let's turn this on. So, I add a little bit of oil in my butter, guys, para hindi siya ma-burn. So, here we go. Let's start cooking. So, let's put first the ginger. So, the ginger is already like a little bit brown. Let's put the garlic. It's pretty easy, guys. Gisa-gisa lang. Ganyan-ganyan lang. Yeah. And normally, guys, I don't really make like this kind of dish. It's my first time that I'm gonna be trying cooking like this with the liver, because normally I fried it. I fried the liver, toasted it, and then put some sauce. Kasi I want it like yung parang ano siya, yung crunchy pag kinain mo yung liver. And I always like boil it for a bit, a few minutes. And then let's make sure that the onion is caramelized and the garlic is cooked. Then we'll add our fresh tomatoes. I add a little bit of fresh tomatoes just to have an acidity in it, because I'm not gonna be putting a vinegar. So I'll add a little bit of lemon to this. So yeah guys, kamusta na kayo? It's been a while that I haven't doing a cooking video. So, naisip ko lang ngayon, sinipag ako ngayon to do some cooking video, kaya it's here. Then I'm gonna be adding now the liver. Yan siya guys. Take it slowly para hindi siya malasog. And then we'll add pepper, salt, and a little bit of soy sauce and chilies, just a bit. So I'll add a little bit of salt and pepper. And as you can see, I don't really measure it. Then I put the chili. It was a red chili, guys. Then let's add a little bit of water para hindi siya ma-burn. Like half cup of water. Ang bango niya guys, grabe. Yeah. Let's make this simmer. So I'm adding my chili oil, guys. Yeah. This is the chili oil that I buy in the Chinese place. The Henlong. Just simmer this para maluto konti yung yung liver, and we'll be back to that. Then I'll add the mushroom. I'm not gonna be adding all the mushroom because my son is using this for his recipe tonight. Also, he's making a buttered chicken. So I just put a little bit of mushroom, and then let's wait for a bit. Sarap. So I add a little bit of lime juice already, just to have an acidity, more acidity. Then I add a little bit of banana ketchup, guys. Para mag-color siya na parang red stuff. But I don't wanna put tomato paste kasi maasim masyado yung tomato paste. Almost done. So, this is the banana ketchup that I had from the Philippines. Ooh, ang bango guys. Super. Yan. Palalabasin lang natin yung ano niya, yung parang mantika niya sa sauce. Para masarap talaga siya. Now let's taste it a bit. Kung ano ng lasa. Oh wow. Wow, it's good. So good. Wow. Ang sarap ng lasa. Guys, my God. Let's put this. I love the taste of the green onions. Ganito siya guys. Let's just put it in the plate na lang. Okay? Give me a sec. So, ayan guys. Done na yung spicy chicken liver ko guys. I'll show you here in the table for a very good view. Ayan na siya. That's my spicy chicken liver. Of course, we're gonna taste it before I'm gonna be ending this video. So, oh my God, looks so delicious. I just have a small bite with a little bit of mushroom. Oh darn, it's so good. Show you my bite. Chicken liver. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my God, the liver is so tender and it's spicy and it's salty, a little sour. Oh my God, only rice na naman tayo nito. Favorite ko itong liver guys eh. Makes me not stop. So, this is my spicy chicken liver guys. I hope you like this guys. This is my dish for this evening. It's gonna be our dinner. So, I hope you like this video that I make for you today. And if you like this video, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And give a thumbs up. And hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I have my latest upload. Thank you so much for watching and stay safe everybody. Bye.